Morning, good evening, good afternoon, wherever you happen to be on this planet ruled by dogs called planet Earth. I'm out here walking in nice weather. Nice depending on how you want to frame it. This is in the 50s in January in Minnesota, and I guarantee you it doesn't normally look like this. Which can pose a problem for a product like the Writer's Glove, which depends on cold weather. The softer the winter, the softer the sales. That's been the mantra since I started the Writer's Glove. But here's the interesting part. January 2024 was a very good month for the Writer's Glove. What was the difference? Well, it's pretty simple. If you saw what I was up to with the Grommet to the rescue. Partnerships, reaching wider audiences. That makes a huge difference. And not just in terms of sales, but also in the opportunities that spring up because of those wider partnerships. So, in review, January 2024 should have been a difficult month for the Writer's Glove, but it wasn't. So I think the lesson there that I'm going to take from that is grow the pie, get the pie bigger. I know that there are millions of people just in the United States who could benefit from the Writer's Glove. I don't know what the dog's up to. It's on to Bigfoot. Yeah, right. Millions of people in the United States could benefit from the Writer's Glove, and I just gotta reach them. I gotta find them. They gotta know about me. And I think I could help them. And I think this month showed the power of partnerships, which is very nice. Also, there are other seasonally dependent businesses that are struggling on this very warm day, warm week in Minnesota, warm season, like HVAC. Furnaces are not getting used hard right now. Basically, anybody in a business involved with HVAC is running these deep discounts. And that's how I was able to get a new water softener at a very reasonable rate. If you saw my Instagram post. That's not HVAC, but they do HVAC and plumbing. Sometimes, these services do both. And that's how they've been dealing with it. But it's still hard because this is their money-making time. And one of the advantages of being in e-commerce is that, just pause here, this is normally a cross-country ski trail. You're not cross-country skiing today. An advantage of being in e-commerce versus a geographically defined service area is that you can go where the cold weather goes. I sell to customers in 60 countries. And I'm like a mini meteorologist. Wherever in the world it's cold, I start getting sales. You can watch the seasons change, or in this case, not. So, yeah, that was January 2024. This is what it looks like in Minnesota. Probably not what you were picturing. It should be about 5 degrees right now, and everything covered in snow. But today we are walking the dog, and you walked it with me. Thank you very much. We'll talk to you later.